Hey, what's up everyone, Yaniv here, and welcome back with another video. Today's going to be a little bit different. It's just a little update video for you guys. Stay tuned till the end. I have a special message for, the real true fans who want to stick around for that. But pretty much this video is, I just want to let you guys know that this is a little update on the giveaway. So if you guys don't know, I had a one-on-one free mentorship giveaway. 25 people are going to win a spot in the Facebook group where you guys can ask me questions and have full-time access to me and my knowledge. And 3 of those people are going to win a one-on-one mentorship with me where we're going to go over pretty much A to Z, everything you need to know about Amazon. So if you guys haven't entered, that is still possible to enter. You guys can still enter that giveaway. Just click right up there. It'll take you to the video, follow the instructions, and you'll be entered to win. So that being said, I'm going to be announcing the winner on Thursday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to have a live stream, so if you guys are interested in coming into that live stream, I'm going to obviously announce the winners of that, of the giveaway. I'm also going to be, answering questions, doing some product research, pretty much anything you guys are down to do on that day. We'll probably stick around with you guys for about an hour. So 5 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday, the 12th. So if you guys are interested, come on, join us there, and we'll have a good time. And oh, and also I forgot to mention, we're gonna do a breakdown of my seller's account just to keep you guys updated on what's going on with Amazon, what's going on with me, and just trying to be fully transparent with you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys my last month of Amazon and how everything's been going, and kind of break it down what has happened. And because I'm sure that a lot of people are interested, and I want to keep this channel as transparent as I possibly can to you guys. Again, it's not to show off or anything like that, but just to show you what is possible. So stay tuned for Thursday's video, Thursday's live stream, and I'll see you guys there. I'll give out some information. If you guys do miss the live stream, I will upload it also so you guys can see it on the channel as well. But if you guys can make it, that'd be super awesome, and looking forward to seeing you guys there. Now, for the people who waited till the end of the video, thank you so much for making it even to the end of the video. And I wanted to thank you guys so much on 500 subscribers. We now reached yesterday night. We reached 500 subscribers. Cannot thank you guys enough. It's absolutely a huge milestone for us, and we're 500 soldiers strong now, building the community, building something that hopefully can help and change a lot of people's lives, and kind of grow and learn together as a community. So I'm so happy that we're finally here, and we're just gonna keep growing. We're still gonna keep getting bigger and keep getting stronger. So really thankful to you guys, and I cannot put those into words again. Just a couple months ago we were at 100, now we're at 500. It's just mind-blowing to me, and thank you guys so much for that. Thank you guys for being so loyal and helping the channel grow. So that's pretty much it. Again, I hope to see you guys on Thursday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I'll put a time converter in the description if you guys need that. I'll help you guys find out exactly when that is, but hopefully a lot of you guys can make it. And again, if you can't, you can watch it on the channel later on. I'll post it on. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.